Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kia J. I am an entrepreneur. I am the owner of Taylor Beauty and I do entrepreneurship videos. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys 5 tips on growing your Instagram page in 2022. This year, I was able to grow my Instagram page by 50,000 followers. So I'm going to tell you guys some of the tricks that I use in order to grow my page pretty quickly. So the first thing I did was only focused on Reels. Now, we've heard so much, do Reels, do Reels, do Reels. Reels help your page to grow. And that is absolutely true because Reels really helped my page to take off in 2022. Before that, I was really focusing on creating really good content. But once I focused on creating really good Reels, this is when my page took off. I had a lot of viral Reels. Pretty much every Reel that I make does go viral. And that's because a lot of the things that I was able to do in my Reel. So my first Reel that went viral, it almost had 1 million views. And I think I gained maybe like 30,000 followers off of that Reel. And so I look back on the Reel and I figured out everything that I did correctly. So the number one thing is the music. Make sure you're focusing on your music because if the music is trending, 9 times out of 10, your Reel is going to be shown more. Reels are normally shown in the Reels Explore page. So Instagram tends to push the Reels that the viewer watches. When the viewer watches that specific music, Instagram will push that Reel. Try to stick to Reels that have less than 5,000 videos, because that'll give my Reel a chance to trend. The other thing is make sure the content in the Reel looks really, really good. It's really, really clear, and you're recording the Reel with a really clear camera. That is going to be very, very important. And make sure it's content that people want to see. When you create really good content that people want to see, that really helps your Reel. The other thing is make sure you have captions within the Reel, because 9 times out of 10, it takes somebody about 2 to 3 times to watch that Reel in order for them to actually read every single caption inside the Reel, which will help you increase your views. So make sure you include caption inside the Reels. And the last thing is share your Reels on stories and encourage your viewers to share their Reels on the stories, because Reels and stories actually get counted as views. So the second thing that I did to grow my Instagram page in 2022 is I really wanted to learn who was watching my videos and study my audience. So I want to thank Social Book for sponsoring today's video. Social Book connects all of your different social media platforms so that you can see how your platforms are performing. They also have tools that you can use, such as photo and video background remover, a link one, and you can create media kits. With Social Book, I can see how all of my posts are performing in one place. They also tell me how much I should be charging for sponsored posts to different brands. Brands also use Social Book to find creators like me to work with. And since my page is growing, it's really important for me to understand my followers' demographics to get a better idea of my niche. So this puts all of their demographics into one place so that when I'm creating posts, I make sure that I keep my followers in mind. Click the link in the bio to sign up for Social Book today. So make sure you guys check out Social Book if you want to learn more about your audience. The other way you can do this is by checking your professional dashboard on Instagram. Now, you have to have a professional account, not a personal account, in order to have a professional dashboard. And basically, it'll give you an insight to all of your analytics, who's looking at your videos, where they're coming from, their age group, how many followers you got, what time of week that you got the followers. And it's really important to know this because you want to make sure that your content is really consistent with the audience that's looking at your stuff. The next thing is figure out what your niche is. I think once I figured out what my niche is, that's when my Instagram page really started to look more professional. Now, I really focus more so on entrepreneurship content and real estate content. Real estate content does really well on my Instagram page. A lot of people want to watch real estate content, and these are the videos that go viral on my page. When I do entrepreneurship videos with my husband, these videos tend to get more views. So you want to make sure your niche correlates well with the music. So I'll give you guys an example. Because I create reels related to real estate investments, what I like to do is use motivational music. People who like real estate also tend to like motivational speakers. They like motivational talks, and I know that people are going to listen to that music as they are watching the videos. So I would make sure that your music correlates well with your niche. So the other thing is you want to be consistent with your niche. Now, the reason why you want to be consistent is because you're always gaining and losing followers on Instagram. So you want to make sure you continue to give your audience what they want to see. And the moment you don't give them what they want to see, they'll likely drop off as a follower. So the other thing is to be consistent. Consistency is key. Consistency is really what helped me grow my page, and it is also what helped other reels take off as well. So I'll give you guys an example. Prior to my reel that went viral, I was consistently creating entrepreneurship content. I was consistently showing myself as a business owner, and then I was showing myself as a real estate investor. When my reel took off, it showed a lot of proof that, hey, this girl isn't just creating content just because. She actually does what she likes. I'm inspired, I'm motivated, and I want to go ahead and follow her. Consistency is key even when your page is not growing, because if you get one reel that takes off or you get one reel that goes viral, 9 times out of 10 people are going to go back to your page. They're going to scroll through your content, and if they like what they see, they follow. More likely, they will probably not follow off the first reel they see. They kind of want to get an idea of who you are. And I know this to be a fact because anybody who normally follows me, I will get likes on my older posts. And because I'm getting more likes and views on my older posts even started to take off months, weeks later. So I definitely recommend you to be consistent, create that good feed, because the moment that one reel takes off, 9 times out of 10, you will get followers from your feed. So the last thing you want to do is have a great call to action. Now, you want to pull people in with content that is really good, but the thing that you want to do is put your call to action inside of your reel. And basically what a call to action is, it's something that you want to get the viewer to do once they see your content. So my call to action that I like to use under my videos is follow my journey of building generational wealth. One, because that's what I'm always showing in my content. I'm showing my journey of being an entrepreneur, real estate investor, and how I'm doing all of these things. So you always want to put that in your call to action, because that will help people understand exactly what they will continue to see. And if they want to continue to see that, they will follow you. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me, Kia James _ and if you guys are interested in getting any of my ebooks, I will leave them down below. My ebooks are all about entrepreneurship, and I do offer business coaching. So if you guys have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them, and I'll see you guys in my next